Welcome. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent anyone from posting on your Facebook page using the latest update on PC. If you've noticed unwanted posts or just want more control over your page, this setting is exactly what you need. It only takes a minute, so let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can control different features. Now on the left-hand side, scroll until you find Page and Tagging, then click on it. This section controls who can interact with your page and how content appears. Next, look for the option labeled Who can post on your page. This is the key setting we're changing today. Click on it and you'll see different options. Select Only Me. This means that from now on, only you will be able to post directly on your page and no one else. After selecting that option, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your page is now protected from unwanted posts, giving a full control over what gets shared. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick guides like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.